In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check which version of Windows you're using on your PC or laptop. Whether you're troubleshooting, checking for updates, or just curious, this method will work for all Windows versions. Let's dive right in. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. You should see a small window pop up in the lower left corner of your screen. Now, in the Run box, type WinVer and then hit Enter. A new window will pop up showing your Windows version and build number. Here, you can see exactly what version of Windows you're running. For example, if you're on Windows 11, it will display that version and also show the specific build you're on. If you prefer using the Settings menu, here's another way. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, and then select System. Scroll down and click on About at the bottom. Here you'll find all the information about your Windows version and system details. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly check your Windows version on any PC or laptop. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.